Hey, happy Canada Day, everybody.
Happy Canada Day.
Well, since I'm Canadian, Andre's Canadian, we thought we would take RC cars today and put Canadian flags on them. It looks ridiculous. And we're out at this public beach. Check this out over here, lots of people. And they're all gonna look pretty weird at us because we're gonna drive these cars out in the dirt and everybody's gonna wonder, what the heck are we doing? So happy Canada Day, here we go. All right, there's my X-Maxx and there's Andre's Super Baja or Ball Ray, and they look a little dirty. One Canadian flag left, that's it, I've toasted mine. So what'd you think, Andre?
That was awesome. In the sand, it's kind of cool.
Yeah, there's like wind here, and when you drive, like X-Maxx, watch this, watch the sand below. I didn't mean to do that. Oh, I didn't mean to do that either. All right, so we're gonna end the video here. Andre, give it a thumbs up. See you guys later.